how to be strong. Dapat ang tao malakas dahil marami talagang bagyo ang buhay. First of all, believe in God. Faith in God, faith in God's justice and grace, faith in God's goodness, and in God's love strengthens people more than anything else could. Pag ang tao ay may pananalig, may pagtitiwala, napakalaking lakas ang ibinibigay noon sa kanya. Isaiah 41:10, don't be afraid, I am with you. Don't tremble with fear, I am your God. I will make you strong as I protect you with my arm and give you victories. Maraming turo ang Panginoon sa Old Testament, maging sa New, na laging ang tema ay huwag kang matakot, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob.